The median is the middle value of a dataset, the point where half the values are higher and half are lower. While SQL doesn't have a single one-size-fits-all median function across every platform, there are 3 common ways to calculate it. If you are using MariaDB or Oracle, you can use the built-in median function. All we have to do is pass the column name. In this result, notice that for vendor 1001, the median is 20.37. This is an interpolated value, meaning SQL calculated the average of the 2 middle numbers because there wasn't a single middle value in the data. If your database doesn't have a median function, you can try the percentile cont function. Here it is in SQL Server. By passing 0.5 as the argument, we tell SQL we want the 50th percentile, which is the median. Like the previous method, this returns a continuous value, so it will calculate a middle point even if that exact number doesn't exist in your table. Depending on your system, you might use this as a window function with an over clause, or as an aggregate function like we're doing here in PostgreSQL. This returns a single median value for the entire result set, rather than a value for every row. Finally, there is percentile disc. This stands for discrete percentile. Unlike the other methods, this will always return an actual value that exists in your dataset. It finds the first value whose cumulative distribution is greater than or equal to 0.5. If we compare the results, you'll see that for vendor 1001, the continuous method gave us 20.37, while the discrete method gave us 14.75. If your business rules require you to use an actual price from your catalog, percentile disc is the function you want. If you found this helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more SQL tips. You can find all the code snippets used in this video via the link in the description. Thanks for watching.